हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम पूजा है और आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल नॉलेज जस्ट बाय क्लिक देख रहे हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ पूजा एंड यू आर वाचिंग द यूट्यूब चैनल नॉलेज जस्ट बाय क्लिक. There is a piece of information related to MTET, and a good news is that the MTET validity has now been increased for lifetime. So those who have qualified the MTET, their validity is for lifetime. So we will read the news inside, and we will also discuss about MTET, when the MTET 2021, that is Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test 2021, will be conducted. This is the news that is given by State Education Minister Lekman Rimbui. Okay, so first, related to MTET validity, the validity of MTET has been increased for lifetime as it has been done by CTET, that is Central Eligibility Test, and also by other states. So Meghalaya TET has also been increased for lifetime. So the news is from Shillong, that is July 20. Candidates who have cleared the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test will now no longer have to sit for the test every 2 years, as the qualification will now be valid for lifetime. So this has been said by State Education Minister Lekman Rimbui. He also said that the notification on the official website will be out by this week. So this was a news regarding to MTET that Meghalaya TET जो है उसकी वैलिडिटी लाइफ टाइम हो गई है और ये वहाँ के एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर लेकमन रिम्बुई ने दी है. सो the next question which is coming about is the upcoming MTET, that is 2021, when the exams will be there. So regarding that, he said that by the end of this month or by the first week of August, we will see a news regarding the dates. So on the upcoming MTET exam, Rimbui said that a new notification will be issued within 10 days to fix the date of the test. So they are fixing the dates of the test and all. So it will take 10 days. So we can expect by the end of this month, July, or the first week of August, we will see the MTET notification. Okay. So friends, this was the news about the eligibility. The validity of MTET has been for lifetime and also for the upcoming MTET exams. So please be connected. Do like, share and subscribe the channel for getting the latest news. I will also share the official notification regarding the validity and also regarding the exams as they come on the official website of MTET. So stay connected. Thank you so much friends for this information. Do like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.